The old motor used to be 10 millimeters. This one's, I think, 12. Yeah, it's 12. Oh, come on, really. There we go. Yeah, always let it stay there a couple of minutes and not so quick to put the thread back in. Try to get as much out as possible. Fortunately, this motor has ports on both sides. This is the easier side because there's not as much junk. There's only the one cylinder, so. There we go. Hey. All right, return the motor to the stowing position. I used to be really picky about the oil I used, but now I'm not. I definitely use a fully synthetic motor oil, and I'm just using Mobil 1 1030 because I use it in my truck, at least to top off with, and I just use it here in the boat. I believe in synthetic motor oils because they're just such, it's good for high demand applications like this. I mean, this engine is a hot little engine. And okay, it says high mileage, but it's just 10W30 Mobil 1. That's really all I care about. So let me just do it this way. We're on a hill, so we're not going to get a good we're not going to get an accurate filling of it, but you'll have to, yeah, there we go. Once it starts running out like that, so I can either come in from the other side and top off a little bit more, because the difficulty with this engine is the oil sensor in it. If you fill it for regular oil, because the engine sits at an angle while running it, the oil sensor thinks there's not enough oil in the engine, when in fact there is. It's just the oil sensor doesn't know that, and so you have to trick it by overfilling it by about somewhere between 1 to 3 ounces. Every motor's a little different. You never know if you have exactly the right amount of oil until you get back out in the river and see how the oil sensor reacts. It's just how it works. So we're going to add an extra ounce or 2. I just been doing this long enough that I sort of know about what to. Yeah, so that's it there. Yeah. Just to get the daggum thing started again, it's just. And then we're going to crank up the motor and let it warm up again with the new oil. And then she'll be ready to go back out in the river. Or he or it or whatever.